Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Indian Express newspaper Sudoku Basalam May 18, 2022. Very hard Sudoku. 4th grade. We have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D. 3 numbers are remaining 5, 6, 9. 7th row and 5th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, 5th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, column F we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. 5th grade only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H, 6th row we have pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in another 2 cells. Column I we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. First grade and 6th row we have 2. 8th row and 10th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, column H, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 3rd row and 9th row, 5th row and 7th row, we have 1. 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another 2 cells. So it can't come in the cell. And 9th row also 1 will come in one of the cells. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Sixth row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H and 8th grade we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of those cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, then column E, we have 8. 8 will come in any one of the cells. So 8 can't come these cells. then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Eighth grade, only one number is remaining. 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Ninth row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Fifth row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fifth row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fifth row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Column J, third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 9. Third grade, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.